Sweetheart, do you know that a jollof rice is as good as a pepper mix? And a lot of people do not even know about this. Let me give you a well upgraded pepper mix that you can use for anything you want to cook, including your spaghetti, your jollof, or your stew. To make this Hildabasi upgraded pepper mix, all you need is your fresh tomato, your habanero pepper, your shombo, your tatashi, your yellow pepper, and of course your fresh ginger and garlic. Don't worry if you don't have oven to smoke your pepper mix. All you need to do is to cook this. It will also give you the same taste. Just get a pot and pour all these ingredients inside the pot and cook it with a little bit of water for at least 45 to 1 hour. All I want you to do for me is to follow the same step as myself. Don't miss any ingredients. Just combine all these things perfectly together, that just the way I am doing it. And of course, you can also use this as a marinade. Yes, it can serve you as a marinade because it have a lot of aroma and flavor inside it. And talking about the aromatic part of this pepper mix, you also need to add some parsley, rosemary, and thyme. Of course, if you can be able to get them in a fresh leaf, fresh thyme, fresh rosemary, or fresh parsley, it will make more sense. Even if you don't have, you can also use the dry one as myself. I have been using the dry one and it came out so good. All you need to do is just sprinkle a little amount of all this thing on top of your pepper mix. I'll be on top of your pepper and fresh tomato. Then proceed to smoke this for about 30 to 45 minutes. I also added a little bit of seasoning cubes inside it. I added seasoning cubes to enhance the taste, so that even if I want to use this as a marinade, it will also give me a very good flavor. And to lock the whole ingredients together, I spread a little bit of oil. You can use any oil of choice, being it groundnut oil or olive oil. Just spread a little bit of it on top of the pepper mix before smoking it. After smoking this on a medium heat for 30 minutes, this is what I have. And please make sure to smoke yours on a medium heat. Don't let the flame to be very high, because if it's very high, it will end up burning and it will taste bad. It will slap. It will not give you that sweet taste that you wanted to get. Using my food processor, I blend all these things together and I then proceed to store it in my fridge, in my very active fridge. If you don't have active fridge, please store this in your freezer so it will not sour or go bad. Do you see how my pepper mix is looking so bright and red? This is how your own supposed to look. That's why I say don't let your own pepper mix get burnt, because once it burnt, you won't be able to get this color. And in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a perfect jollof spaghetti using Hildabasi recipe. So all you have to do is to subscribe and stay tuned.